Hi, I'm going to be doing Jordan Janssen's "Break Free, It'll Be Okay." This song, when he showed it, when I found it on his page, I was like, it like talked to me, like said, here, this is like yours, you can use this. So, I know it's not really mine, it's his, but yeah, it's just a really good song, and it really spoke to me. So, here we go. Your master is all alone. Can't seem to find his way back home. Feels like running somewhere far away. We stood by and watched you fall. And I said nothing, nothing at all. Now there's something I just gotta say. I just can't hide this feeling bursting out of me. Wish I had stood my ground and helped this boy break free. Yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, hey, you'll be okay. Waking up and he looks in the mirror, cuts and bruises all over the place. The kind of mask can't hide his fear. It's written all over his face. He can't hold on any longer. Young boy, please listen to me. Gotta fight, just hold on tight. You can make it through another day. I just can't hide this feeling from bursting out of me. Wish I had stood my ground and helped this boy break free. Yeah, yeah. Oh, hey, hey, it'll be okay. He shared the tears, he felt the pain. One too many days. He thought there was no other way but to end it all today. But thankfully, he's found a way to make it go away. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Hey, hey, it'll be okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Hey, hey, it'll be okay. Thanks for watching.